Good evening, everyone. NMAT 2023 starts from tomorrow, that is 10th of October. And here I am with the last minute tips for the examination. What should be done on the day of the examination to boost your score in the examination. So, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow us on social media platforms. First and the foremost thing which is advisable for any exam is take proper rest for the exam. Okay, so let's say you have exam tomorrow morning, so sleep early and wake up on time so that you have enough rest, because it is all about how you function during the examination. And if your brain does not get proper rest, you may not be able to perform well on the exam. Then you need to carry certain things to the exam center, which are basically your admit card. Okay, along with admit card, it is written that you need to carry the email confirmation, which you can either print or you can show in the mobile. So either hard copy or soft copy, anything is fine. If you are writing at home, if you're not going to the center, then of course you'll have to show this the screen and show the mail. And if you're visiting a center, you can either take the hard copy along with you or show them the soft copy. Okay, then you need to take your identity. They will click your photograph there and they will check with the identity name, etc. Then you need to carry your pen and water bottle, etc. of your own. So these are the essential items that you need to carry, especially the admit card and this identity card. Okay, confirmation email, you must be having it in your mailbox. Just check, just ensure that you have that email. Okay, and hope you have not deleted that email and show that at the center. Please reach the exam center on time. They have not specified any time, but I would advise reach at least 30 minutes prior to the examination so that there is no hassle and you can do all the check-in process, etc. easily. Read the exam instructions very carefully. See, this examination is something which is different from other examinations in the sense that you cannot uh, skip a question. Like if you skip a question, you have to answer all the questions and you cannot come back to a question again. So read all those instructions which are given. They will give you around 10 minutes in the beginning to read the instructions, read them carefully, understand what is mentioned in that instruction, and then only start with the examination. So they give you a buffer time of, I think, 8 to 10 minutes to read those instructions. So please go through those instructions in detail and then only proceed with the examination. Now, this is my own perception, may be true, may not be true, but psychologically it benefits you if you start with your strongest section first. Because the reason is, like if you start with your weakest section, it is psychologically affecting on your scores, because you tend not to get the accuracy right, and then you start fumbling, you become nervous, you mark answers incorrectly, your scores dip, and that impacts your future performance as well. Like in the other two sections, you will realize, okay, I'm not doing well. You will always think of those negative ideas. So, in order to maintain positivity, start with your strongest section so that you start with a good tone, and towards the end, you are able to score a decent score. Okay, because towards the end of the examination you might be drained, and starting with the strongest section helps you in this exam. So you have to choose the order of sections. There are six possibilities because there are three sections. Choose that. Let's say your LR is the strongest, so start with LR, then you feel QA and then VA. So LR and then QS section and then LS section. This is very important thing. So the ones who are writing for the very first time, you should know that there is no option to go back to a question. Okay, so if you have attempted a question, there is no other choice. You have to attempt the next question. Okay, so please be careful while attempting and also keep track of a time also. Okay, so like if you believe that in other examinations, what happens is if you realize, okay, this is a tough question, I'll skip it and come back to it later. Here choose your time wisely. Instead of spending too much time on it, just move ahead and attempt all the questions because there is no negative marking. The marking pattern is not known to us. They advise that if you do not attempt the paper, they will reduce marks. Okay, so try to attempt all the questions, and that will ensure that you get a decent score. So if you skip questions, you anyway lose marks. Okay, so there is no negative marking for a wrong answer. You try to reach the end of all those sections. So tomorrow we have the examination. I'll be writing the test in the very first slot, which is at 9 a.m., 9 to 11 a.m. So tomorrow I'll be doing the exam analysis at 11 a.m. from the examination center, telling you about the pattern, the difficulty level, the expected cutoffs, etc. And we shall have a session on question discussion, the type of questions that you can expect on NMAT, whether there is any pattern change, etc. at 4 p.m. So please don't forget to watch these videos and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So all the best to all the NMAT aspirants who are going to write the examination tomorrow and beyond. Okay, so just follow these advices, reach the center on time, carrying essential items, and reading the instructions carefully, and not wasting time on questions which you feel that they are way too difficult. Just avoid them and try to complete the paper. That is how you can improve your score in the examination. In case you are preparing for NMAT and SNAP and are looking for a structured course, you can enroll in our course, which includes live classes, recorded videos, practice sheets, and exam specific topics, plus access to the mock test of both these exams. And if you wish to buy the mock test, you can also check these on our site. And to help MBA aspirants, we have published an ebook which contains 160 plus grammar rules. And it is helpful for not only NMAT but also SNAP, ZAT, CMAT, TestNet. So, whichever exam you target, they do ask grammar questions. So, we have consolidated uh, different grammar rules along with sufficient examples so that you learn that where what are the possible places where you can have errors. This will help you in error spotting, in fill in the blanks, all those kind of questions. So this is available for just 100 rupees. You can check on the link from where you can get it. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on our social media platforms. So wait for tomorrow for the exam analysis, and all the best to all the NMAT aspirants.